Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to calculate permutations, combinations, and factorials in a Texas Instruments calculator. I have 4 different models of the Texas Instruments calculators, and I'll show how to do the statistics on these. So for this Texas Instruments 30XA, this calculator has the NCR and NPR above the 8 and the 9. Above the number 3, you'll see x factorial. So let's say I want to calculate a combination, and it's 5 combination 3, 5C3. So what I would need to do is type the left side number first, and then I need to get the NCR program, so I would need to do second, 8, and then I would type the right side number 3, press equals. So 5C3 is 10. Now let's do 5 permutation 3. Permutation is above the number 9. So I would do 5, second, 9, 3 equals. So 5 permutation 3 would be 60. If I just wanted to calculate a factorial of a number like 5 factorial, I would type 5, second, 3, and it gives me the value 120. Now let's look at another version of the Texas Instruments calculator. This is the next model up. It's the Ti-36x and this calculator has a probability button, which is in the column above the number 7. If you press the probability button, you'll see NPR, NCR, and factorial. And to access those different ones, you'll need to use the right arrow button to select, and you would press equals to paste it to your screen. So if I clear out of here, let's calculate 5C3 using this calculator. So you begin by typing the left side number of your combination, 5, and then you want to type the probability button and select NCR and press equals, and then type the right side number 3. So now my calculator is going to calculate 5C3. Press equals to get my answer. If I wanted to do 5 permutation 3, I would do 5 probability, select NPR, 3 equals to get 60. If I wanted to calculate a factorial of 5, I would do 5, go to probability, select the factorial, press equals, and then press equals to solve. Now let's look at a third model of the Texas Instruments calculator. So this is the Ti-36x Pro. So this doesn't have a probability button, but you can see that I have right here above the column with the number 8 in it, I have the factorial, NCR, and NPR. So if I press this button, it will cycle through the different ones. So I just repeatedly press it to get what I want. So if I want to type 5C3, I would do 5, and I would keep pressing this until I get the NCR, and then I type the right side number 3 and equals. If I wanted to calculate 5P3, I would do 5, type the button until you get NPR, and then do 3 equals. And if I just wanted to do 5 factorial, I would do 5, and the first time I press it I get factorial, and I press equals. So the final calculator that I want to show you is a version of a graphing calculator. So the graphing calculators have the NCR, NPR, and factorial located under this math button. So if you press this math button, you'll have to select probability. So you're going to have to right arrow to get that. And you'll see I can press down and select NPR, NCR, and factorial. And the way that you enter this in is very similar to the previous 2 calculators. You type, if I wanted to do 5C3, you type 5, go to math. You can either arrow to the right, or a quick way is left, and you'll jump to that probability menu. Select your NCR, or you can type 3, press equals, and then type your right side number, and press equals to solve it. And you'll do the same process if you want to calculate permutations or if you want to do a factorial. So again, it's math, You can do left to jump to the probability menu, and then you can go down and select one of your 3 options that you want to work with. So hopefully this little video was a helpful demonstration for how to calculate these in the Texas Instruments calculator.